Good morning, students. In previous class, we discussed about some theorem on sets and we solved some problems based on sets. Today, we also solve some problems on sets. Let's see. Take a question. Let A and A, B and C be the sets. Be the sets such that A union B is equal to A union C and A intersection B is equal to A intersection C. Okay, show that B is equal to C. This is the questions. Let A, B and C be the set such that A union B is equal to A union C is equal to and A intersection B is equal to A intersection C. Show that B is equal to C. Okay, now solve it. First we have A union B is equal to A union C. Okay, now we implies both side A union B intersection C is equal to A union C intersection C. Okay, this implies that A union B intersection C is equal to C because of A union C intersection C is equal to C. So we can write A union C intersection C is equal to C. Okay, and also we have A union B is equal to here A union B intersection C is equal to C na. Okay, A union B intersection C is equal to A union C intersection C is equal to C. Now we apply the relation A intersection C. Now we can write A intersection C, okay, union B intersection C. Applying distributive law, B intersection C is equal to C. And we have A intersection C. We have now A intersection C is equal to A intersection B. So we write here A intersection B union B intersection C is equal to C. Take equation number first. Okay, now we take again A union B is equal to A union C. Okay, now we apply intersection with B. A union B intersection B is equal to A union C intersection B. Same as we write A union B intersection B is equal to B only, and we apply A intersection B distributive law union A intersection B union C intersection B. This implies that B is equal to A intersection B union C intersection B is also write as B intersection C. Okay, both are common in element. We can write C intersection B is equal to B intersection C. Thus B is equal to A intersection B union B intersection C. Take equation number 2. Okay, now using equation 1 and 2, we observe that A intersection B union B intersection C is equal to C, same as A intersection B union B intersection C is equal to B. So since from equation 1 and 2 we have B is equal to C, hence proof. Okay, now we take some other questions based on sets. Now take a question. For any two sets, A and B, prove that power of a set A intersection B is equal to power of set A intersection power of set B. Okay, this is the questions. For any two sets A and B, prove that power of set A intersection B is always equal to power of set A intersection power of set B. Okay, now in order to prove that P power of set A intersection B is equal to P power of set A intersection power of set B, first of all we prove that power of set A intersection B is a subset of power of A intersection power of B, and also power of A intersection power of B is a subset of power of A intersection B. So our result is proved. Now let's prove it. Let any element X belongs power of set A intersection B. Okay, this implies that the element X is a subset of A intersection B. Now all the subsets of A intersection B is the elements of power of a subset of A intersection B. This topic is discussed in previous class. Okay, so first we let X belong power of a set A intersection B, then this implies that X is a subset of A intersection B. This implies that X is the subset of A. Okay, and X is, here we use intersection, so we write and X is a subset of B. It means that X belong power of a set A, and X belong power of a set B. So we write X belong power of a set A intersection power of a set B. Since we can say that power of A intersection B is a subset of power of A intersection power of B. Okay, because of here we assume that X is the X belong power of a set A intersection B. Here we prove that X is a belong power of a set A intersection power of a set B. So we can say that power of a set A intersection B is a subset of power of a set A intersection power of a set B. Take equation first. Okay, now let Y belong power of a set A intersection power of a set B. This implies that Y belong power of a set A, power of a set A, intersection use and y belong power of a set B. Okay, this implies that y is the subset of A, and here we write y is the subset of B. So we can say that y is also the subset of A intersection B. If y is a subset of A intersection B, this belong that y belongs power of A intersection B. A intersection B. So we can write power of a set A intersection power of a set B is a subset of power of A intersection B. Take equation number 2. So look here, power of a set A intersection B the subset of power of a set A intersection power of a set B, and here we prove that power of a set A intersection power of a set B is also the subset of P power of a set A intersection B. So since from equation 1 and 2 we get power of a set A intersection B is equal to power of a set A intersection power of a set B. Okay, hence proved your results. Okay, so dear students, you solve all the questions in this way based on sets. Okay, now we discuss the next topic and some more results on operations on sets. Okay, now your next topic is we discuss about more results on operation on sets. Okay, operation on sets, more results on operation on sets. Okay, like as if A and B are any two sets, then first A minus B is always equal to A intersection B dash, A intersection B dash. Second, B minus A is equal to B intersection A dash. Okay, third, A minus B is equal to A. And this implies that if A intersection B is equal to empty set, A intersection B is equal to 5, then we can write A minus B is equal to A. Okay, fourth one, this is very important results and this results is used in the questions. Okay, fourth one, A minus B union B, A minus B union B is equal to A union B. Okay, fifth one, A minus B intersection B, A minus B intersection B is equal to empty set. Okay, six, if A is the subset of B, this implies that B dash is also the subset of A dash. Okay, and last one, 7 a minus b union b minus a is equal to a union b minus a minus b union b minus a. This is also known as symmetric difference now. Is equal to a union b minus a intersection b. This is very important results. Okay, a intersection b. This is very important. Okay, so now we prove this results one by one. Now we prove this results one by one. Okay, now prove it. Now take first results. First result is what? A minus b is equal to a intersection b dash. A intersection b dash. This is the first theorem, first result. Now we have to prove, first of all, let x be an arbitrary element let x be an arbitrary element of a minus b. Okay, that is, we take x belong a minus b. A minus b says that the set of all elements of a which do not belong in b. This topic is discussed in previous class. First of all, we take x be an arbitrary elements of a minus b, that is, x belong a minus b. This implies that x belong a and x does not belong in b, because of a minus b told us the set of all elements of a which do not belong in b. So if we take x belong a minus b, this implies that x belong a and x does not belong b. Okay, so conversely we can write x belong a and x belong b dash. Now this topic is also discussed in previous class. B dash is the complement of b. If x does not belong b, then x belong its complement. Okay, yes, so we can write x belong a intersection b dash, x intersection b dash. Okay, that is, a minus b is the subset of a intersection b dash. Take equation number first. Similarly, let y belong a intersection b dash. Now let y belong a intersection b dash. Then this implies that y belong a and y belong b dash. This implies that y belong a and y does not belong in b. Does not belong in b. Here we use the concept of complementary. Okay, now this implies that y belong a minus b. A minus b, the set of all elements which belong set of all elements of a which do not belong in b. So here we observe that y belong A and y does not belong in B, so y belong A minus B. Thus A intersection B dash is a subset of A minus B. Take equation 2. Take equation 2. Since from equation 1 and 2 we get, since from equation 1 and 2 we get A minus B is equal to A intersection B dash, hence proved. Okay, so dear students, you prove all the results in this way. Okay, same as second results. Second is your second result is B minus A is equal to B intersection A dash. Okay, so dear student, you have to prove this results in the same way, okay, so this result, this is the homework of all students. Okay, now we take another results. Okay, this result, this question is the same as previous question, so all the students proved these results. Okay, now we take another question results. Now we take another results, last one. Now we take last results and its proof. Okay, and results 2, 3, 4, 6, 5, 6. This is all the results you prove in the same way. Okay, now we, this is very important results and all the results you prove it. Now we take last one, which is, suppose that to prove last one, A minus B union B minus A minus B union B minus A is equal to A union B minus A intersection B. This is very important results. Okay, now we discuss its proved. Okay, yes, first of all, now we write proof. Okay, let X be an element belongs A minus B union B minus A. Okay, this implies that X belong A minus B union means or X belong B minus A, right now. If X belong A minus B, so we write X belong A and X does not belong B. Okay, or here same as we write X belong B and X does not belong in A. Okay, right now X does not belong in A. Now X belong A. Now we take or okay, egg, here we write X belong A or X does not belong in B. Okay, and X does not belong in B, or does not belong in A. Okay, X does not belong in A. Now we write here X belongs A union B. A union B, X union okay, and now we take here X belong B, na? Okay, and X does not belong B, X does not belong A intersection B. A intersection B. Okay, this implies that X belong A union B, minus A intersection B. Hence, that is, we can write A minus B union B minus A is a subset of A union B minus A intersection B. Take question 1. Similarly, we have to prove that A union B minus A intersection B is the subset of A minus B union B minus A. Take equation number 2. Okay, now using equation 1 and 2 we get A minus B union B minus A is equal to A union B minus A union B, A intersection B, sorry, A intersection B. Okay, so this result is proved in this way. Okay, so dear students, you solve and prove all the results. Okay, all the results and solve the NCERT questions. Okay, and some theorem is here. Next theorem, some more results, like as if A, B and C are any three sets, then prove that first A minus B intersection C is equal to A minus B union A minus C. Okay, second, A minus B union C is equal to A minus B intersection A minus C. This is very important results, most important results. One thing is that A intersection B minus C is equal to A intersection B minus A intersection C. Okay, so dear students, we prove these results in next class. Okay, Thank you.